Ayan.
or tree.
So lahat tayo, sabay-sabay, bigkasin habang piniling pa ng iba. I am a Filipino criminologist.
I am a Filipino criminologist.
One more time, I am Filipino criminologist.
I am a Filipino criminologist.
Okay, with that, congratulations and mabuhay ang Filipino criminologist.
Yay!
Thank you very much, Honorable Warbles. And once again, congratulations to our newest registered criminologists.